So, we are writing an opinion essay about social media and if we think it's a good thing for society or a bad thing for society. So throughout the past 2 days, you should have been researching and you should have been interviewing family members and anybody that you could really talk to find some data, some information to support your opinion. Today, our assignment is to write our introduction. So, I will write my introduction while you can follow along. That way you have an example and then you can go write yours. So, first thing I'm going to do is indent, as always, for every paragraph. So remember, when we're writing opinion essays, we need opinion, reason, explanation, followed by an opinion. And in my intro, I need a hook. So, I'm trying to think of something that will be interesting in a way that people would love to read the rest of my essay. So I'm thinking, do I want to use a question? Do I want to use a fun fact? Do I want to use maybe onomatopoeia? I was thinking maybe I want to use tweet tweet because I've been a big Twitter fan for a while. So I think that's what I'll use. So tweet tweet. Social media is everywhere in our lives today. And I'm saying that just to kind of introduce my whole topic. And I actually think I want to change. I want to say, but is it a good thing or a bad thing? And I think I'm going to go back and say, that way people are understanding about this tweet tweet. I'm going to say, have you ever used Twitter before? And then, social media is everywhere in our lives today, but is it a good thing or a bad thing? I've completed my hook now, and I have already 1, 2, 3 sentences. So my introduction looks like it's going to be kind of short. I could extend it, and I could add more information, but at this point, I have most of the information that I need. So I'm going to write my thesis. Now remember, a thesis, you did a MobyMax assignment on thesis. We have been working on them all year long. A thesis is one statement that tells you about that tells the reader about what they're going to read about in your whole entire essay. So, you're going to state your opinion very strongly. So here's my thesis, and I'll bold it. That way it's easy for you to see. Social media has a positive effect on today's society. And then I need to say because. And after my because, I'm going to list my 3 reasons that I'm going to focus my body paragraphs on. So first, it brings people together. Just it brings people together, and I'll elaborate later. Why else has social media been positive? How else has it had a positive effect on us? So, it brings people together. It allows people to receive information more quickly, and it gives people access to have more friends via the internet. So I have my hook, my onomatopoeia. Then here's my 2 intro sentences that are just kind of telling what I'm going to be writing about. And then I have my thesis, which I bolded. That way you're able to tell what is my thesis. You do not have to bold your thesis when you type it. I just wanted you to be able to see it easily. So notice in my thesis, I stated my opinion. Social media has a positive effect on today's society. Then I used the word because. And then I have 3 reasons why. It brings people together, it allows people to receive information more quickly, and it gives people access to have more friends via the internet. So if you're saying social media has a negative effect on today's society, you would need to say because reason 1, reason 2, reason 3. And then as you write your body paragraphs, you're going to elaborate on these 3 reasons throughout your body paragraphs. So here's our intro. Your turn to write now.